So, as we all saw, the English language proficiency test for international colleges. Now we are going to see PTE, okay, Pearson test. This, okay, and even this is for international universities English proficiency test. So, Pearson language test is a part of Pearson PLC group. It is devoted to assessing and validating the English language usage of non-resident English speakers through different tests. These tests are known as Pearson tests of English. It has different types. Pearson test of English PTE for general, Pearson test of English PTE for young learners, Pearson test of English PTE for home, and then Pearson test of English PTE academic UKV 1, and Pearson test of English PTE academics. These tests are accredited by the Qualifications and Curriculum Authorities QCA of Gaul and administered in association with EDXLs. Benefits of Pearson test of English: artificial intelligence scoring, unbiased scoring, flexible testing, and fast results. Sends your score to different organization, unlimited times for free, unlimited acceptance for study and migration application. Now each part we will study in detail. Pearson test of English general is used by test takers who are looking for an internationally recognized English test that allows them to build a portfolio of their language proficiency for further education or to enhance their employment prospectus. Pearson test of English young learners, otherwise known as London test of English for children. It is designed to be fun and interesting for the children aged between 5 and 12 years. It is an ideal test for kindergarten and primary school children to procure world-recognized qualifications, which leads to better opportunity in further education. Pearson test of English PTE home. It is the fast, fair, and convenient choice for those who are applying for a family or settlement visa for the United Kingdom. PTE home has different levels: PTE home A1, PTE home A2, PTE home B1. Now, Pearson test of English academic UKVI. It is a secure English language test, SELT capital, which is a fast, fair, convenient choice for anyone who wishes to work, study, or come to live in the UK. There is no differences between PTE academic UKVI and PTE academic in terms of test content and format. However, there are minor differences in the registration process to comply with UK Home Office requirement. Pearson test of English PTE academic. The PTE academic test is a 3 hours long online computer based English language test which is accepted by educational institutions around the world. Those students who wish to study abroad, especially to a major English speaking country, are required to take the PTE academic test to prove their English language proficiency and competency. It is designated to test the reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills of a candidate. The test is designated in such a way that every question generally tests 2 skills together, like reading, speaking, or listening and reading. As we are focusing on higher education, especially undergraduate level, in this section we are going to learn in detail about academic levels. In order to take PTE academic test, the candidate must be at least 16 years. Below 18 years of age need to take a parental consent form signed by either parent or guardian before taking the test. They can download the consent form from the official website, the PTE academic test. Test registration: to register PTE academic, candidates are required to take a valid ID, generally a passport. They are also required to show the ID on the day of the exam, else they will not be allowed to enter the PTE test center. Steps Steps to register PT academic test. Visit the official PT academic website. Create the PT academic account by giving personal details of After the completion of the registration process, candidates will receive an email within 48 hours from Pearson with the login detail. The next step is to search for the nearest test center and also select a suitable time and date. After selecting all the details like time, date and slot, candidates will be asked to proceed to the checkout button, then make payment and finalize the booking. Syllabus and test formats are in order to appear for the test is divided into 3 parts: speaking, writing, reading and listening. Okay, and then speaking and writing, first part of the PT academic test, it is first part of the PT academic test, and important topics are personal introduction, read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, retell lecture, answer short questions, summarize written test and text and essay. As mentioned earlier, first part candidates will be tested on their speaking and writing skills within 77 to 93 minutes. To assess speaking, candidate skill will be tested by their ability to produce spoken English in an academic environment. The writing section is required to write responses in academics English using correct grammar and spelling. Reading skill, it is the second part. Reading and writing, fill in the blanks, multiple choice, multiple answer, multiple choice and single answer, and reorder paragraph or the sections under reading. Now in the second part, candidate will be tested on the basis of their ability to understand the written instruction in the language within 32 to 40 minutes. It is different response formats which includes reorder, paragraph, multiple choice and fill in the blanks that are designated to test the ability to read, write and listen to the information provided in English. As PT academic is an integrated skill test, one item type in this part of the test also assess writing skills. Listening, the important topic in this are summarize spoken text, then multiple choice, multiple answer, multiple choice, single answer, fill in the blanks, highlight correct summary, highlight incorrect words, write from dictation and selecting missing words. The third part consists of questions that are based on audio or video clips, which while listening, candidates have to be very careful as each audio or video clip will only play once. They are also allowed to make notes while listening. The time duration for this section is 45 to 57 minutes. Acceptance on PT academic score. The PT scores are accepted by some of the top universities. The countries accepting PT are USA, UK, Canada, New Zealand, Ireland, Singapore, Germany and a lot more. It is one of the most widely accepted computer-based test of English, generally undertaken for studying abroad and immigration options. Colleges accepting PT scores, there are huge number of top colleges. They are Harvard University, University of British Columbia, Imperial College of London, University of Queensland, the University of Auckland, Humboldt University of Berlin, National University of Singapore and lot more. Scoring pattern is there is an automated scoring system. All item in tests are machine scored. It is scored against the global scale of English, a thermometer style scale that gives an accurate overview of the skills. Scores for few item types are based on correctness alone, whereas others are based on correctness, formal aspects and the quality of the response. Formal aspects refers to the form of the response. The quality of the response is represented in the enabling skills. If responses are correct, a score of 1 point will be given, and if they are incorrect, no score points are awarded. So for this you will have to click https://pearsonpte.com/wp small letter then dash content /uploads/2020/0404 then /score-guide-16.04.20 for test for then again test takers.pdf. Kindly note the total score in PTE is the overall score, which ranges from 10 to 90, graded on the scale. The score shows the person's ability to read, understand verbal instruction, speak and write English language. Mentioned in future I'll be sharing the images. Okay, the image show which you can see is in https 2 dots then 2/ and then blog.e2language.com/sardhas pte story a perfect pte 90 / score ranges from 90, then good score is 85 to 75, average score is 56 to 74. Score validity is the test score is for 2 years it is valid. Now rescoring policy, if people are not satisfied, they can request for rescore. Is a computer score test. The chance of an error is highly minimized. Only spoken responses and open-ended written exams are rescored. Now steps to send the PT academic score are log into PT academic account, view the score reports, send scores, type the names of the chosen university institution on the field marked institutions as organizations or department or school and click search. Tick the box next to the institution's name when it appears in the list. Review the details when scroll down the page and click next and then next again to confirm. Repeat the same procedure for each institution. Candidates can send the score reports for free to as many institutions as they like. So sending a PTE academic score report, click on https 2/pearsonpte.com/sending your scores / now exam dates are available throughout the year. Candidates can choose the timing of PTE test according to their convenience. It is recommended that the candidates should start checking the availability of test dates at the earliest. The test centers are in our country: Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chandigarh, Chennai, Cochin, Coimbatore, Delhi or New Delhi, Gandhinagar, Hyderabad, Jalandhar, Kolkata, Ludhiana, Mumbai, Nagpur, Noida, Patiala, Pune, Rajkot, Vadodara, Vijayawada. The fees is test fee is 13,300. And so hope you will remember this. So full form of PT is Pearson Test of English, and conducting body is Pearson PLC Group, and widely popular as English Language Proficiency Test. Okay, so thank you all of you. The website for Pearson is https 2/pearsonpte.com. Thank you. And now subscribe, share it and press the bell button. Thank you.